Kevin, and I'm a leader of the case study 7. So I will teach you how to using about the data annotation. So let's go straight to it. So the first thing, when you are using about the data annotation, you need to go to this website, accent.ai. So in here it's got for you to annotate the data. For example, I'm just taking about you want to getting about a vehicle on the internet, vehicle bicycle. Oops. Yep. So you can see there are a lot of bicycle in here. You can download on it and put it in here. For example, you put it in here. You can see. So let's go to here. I have been got a lot of example in here. Image. Okay, so we'll select it. Yep. For example, when I click to it, you can see we got like 3 images loaded, and then I click to the object detection. We will start a project. So similar thing, just like when you are seeing this, you just using about create about a bounding box, make it as fit as you can of the object inside of the bounding box. So after that, you will select okay. So what is this thing? So this thing is a car, right? So we're setting about the car and then accepting it. So when you go in here, you will click to it. You can see it's got a car. Go to another key, for example, just select this one. We will have the car also. But this thing it take a lot of time for you guys to in order to do it. So the one thing I want to create about when you click in here, the action, you need to run about import about annotation, and you can see we got a lot of option here for you to choose, and I already create about a label docs txt file for you in order to make about the objects, make it about running in order when people are annotated data. So let me just find okay. So I already give you this label.txt in the planner card, so you can go in there and then check for it. So when you click open it, so annotate already import, then click import. So when you click import to it, make it again. So you can see in here we got a lot of option here. Simplify, just see about it, click to it, and then doing. Go to another key, checking it, bus, find about where the bus, and then checking it. But I think it's still taking time. So the sim is because we just create a bounding box of each picture, which just take a lot of time. So we can use about run AI in order to detect about the bounding box for us, and then we can label it later. So I click to the run AI locally. We go to the about YOLO V5 object detection, and we use this model, and we need to upload the YOLO V5, but I don't have that thing, so I'm just click using about the recent YOLO V5 app already installed here. So just choose one of them and then use the model. When you click in it, it will automatically detect okay, this is a car, you accepting it. You can see about okay, have it create about a bounding box for you, click to it, hit a car, delete this one. Okay, it's already text, so you can also about modify it a little bit to make it as fit as you can. Yep, like this, and then click into another image. You can see detect a bus and then accepting it, and then you just clicking again a bus in here. So it also create about you can see it also detect about the car in here. You can also put in the car and the bus in the car, but we need to change about the you need to change about is in order to when you selecting about the bus, but it's fine, but you need to also find about the the name inside here in order to make it correct, otherwise we'll be wrong. For example, in here it's not detecting, it's fine, we can still about selecting about the bicycle, and then find where is the bicycle it. So you can find here and then click to it. So after you have done everything about all the image, simply just go to about the action, and then click to the export annotation. So whether you can use in YOLO format or VOC, I will use in about the you can use in the YOLO because we will use about the YOLO in the trainer model. Which is exporting it. If we give it about a zip file, extracting it when you already extracting. Where was it? We just click again. Yep, in here. So when you click in here, it's give you about the bounding box of each of the image you have. For this one, like I say, like about it's got like the name of the image, and then instead of the .jpeg, we got like about .txt. When you click in here, we got like about okay, this in the class 30, and class 30. Where's the class 30? So the class 30 in here, which is the triple rod train. No, the last 30 is about the car in here. So yeah, and then it also gives about the X center, E center, the width in the hay. So I also want to mention like about when it's detecting you, you need to change about the label of it. For example, is it a car? You need to also change to another thing because you cannot using the defaulting because that default about the YOLO V5 had been installed here is not our old model. So it just create about the bounding box for us, and then we just simplify, just like make it as fit as you can. It must save more time, but we also need to change about the annotation. Yep. And yeah, so but like when you are collecting a image on the internet, it also we need to um, collect a lot of like about 150 or 120. Yep, when you see in here 150 for about train folder and 30 to 40 picture in the validation folder. So it's a lot of vehicles. So I have a one trick for you. Just go to the body website universeroboflow.com. One here is for about the RoboFlow hub for the YOLO V8 or YOLO V5. And for example, if you want to find about the vehicle, you want to just click to about the vehicle, find about the vehicle in here. So it got a lot of things. For example, I want to find about the data set for bicycle. I just click in here. Okay, I see about the bicycle in here, and then I go. It's got like about a lot of image, and I want to see the about where is it? Detect the pie. Yep. So when you click in here, you can see about the image. A lot of image related to the bicycle. You can simply just go to about the datasets and then download it. It have allowed two options. You can download whether using about a card or maybe the zip file. We are using about YOLO V8. In order to training, you can use also use YOLO V5 is still fine because like I'm still consider whether which model is better for you to learn, whether YOLO V5, YOLO V8. So just simply choosing about YOLO V8, and then continue. It will automatically download for you. I'm already downloaded this thing, so yep, I will show you when you already download it. It will got like about this file. You unzip it, and then it will give you about a photo in here. You can go in here. It's we got like about the string and the valid. You just simply create similar to the string and the valid. That's it. You don't need to generate about the test or data.yam or anything. We will do it later. And going to here, we also got about the image and label. You just simply do a same at like what I'm showing here. So image and label, just skip about the label because like we will re-annotating it. But you can see in here we got like about 1 and 0. 1 is like we have the bicycle. 0 is mean like doesn't have any bicycle. So we don't use this label. We just use the image in here. So you can see in here we can the overall in here is got like about 5,000, more than 5,000 image. So you just simply like about select like about 100 to like 100, 120 to 150, and then taking it, and also like about for the validation, you take 30 to 40 image in here, and then go to deep website maxen.ai and then annotating it. And after that, just like putting SM here, create about two folders, train, valid. inside of each file having about an image and label. Yeah, and yep, that's about it. If you have any question, feel free to ask me or maybe like about Lucas or Nihar. Thanks.